Is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent, teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. That's Sammy, the wonder dog behind me. She kind of hangs around me all wants an appearance fee. I worked at IRS for 10 years. I've been in private practice for 41 years. Thank you for listening. I try to get in and out. I was the IRS, so the things I tell you are really cool because they're the things that people don't know. A lot of people blab about them, but they don't know what they're doing. I've been doing this on the outside tax defense for 41 years. I call it the outside. Let me just tell you, if you miss an IRS notice, what happens? Well, I want to tell you all those notices are time sensitive. That means a computer, first of all, sends all these notices out. There's no person that's doing, unless you have your cases in the local office. That's one thing. That's a whole different, because you're going to have enforcement action if you're in the local office. But generally, most of you who are listening are probably kind of computer generated notices. So IRS systematically sends these letters out. If you don't respond and call IRS, so someone says, hey, this person called, stop, IRS systematically does whatever that letter says. The problem is if they say, hey, you better pay by this date or that date, if it's a 504 or a 1058, IRS may go ahead and send you a tax levy or a bank garnishment. So you have to be very careful. But what you want to do is you want to call IRS as soon as you can and let them know, hey, I forgot about this. I just got this. You have to get on them right away because you need someone at IRS when you call to go ahead and switch off that enforcement computer for you. That's what happens. Basically, when you call IRS, someone is on the other end inputting what's going on, and rather than keep the letters coming or keeping this coming, they plan to work the case so they control what's going on with your case. That's why you want to call them as soon as you can, so the enforcement of what IRS is not coming. If it's an audit case, it's one thing. If it's a collection case, it's worse because, like I said, IRS has enforcement power to make you call them. So call right away, document who you've called, get the name of the person, the ID, and keep a document of who you called in case that person did not go ahead and input and they sent a levy or a bad notice out to you and all of a sudden your money's gone. Anyway, if you need me, give me a call, but please respond to the notices as soon as you possibly can. Don't wait. Hire someone, call them yourself, but respond to the notice. Thank you very much. I appreciate your time. You know what to do now. Call IRS. Give me a call anytime you want. My number's somewhere. Give me a subscription. I appreciate your time. Call IRS. Stop the notices.